Ang gusto pagawa ng client, cutback exhaust lang. So, yun lang din ang pinag-usapan namin. Kasi pagka pinalitan mo, ang mga headers dito, sealant to. So, meron nakaka-experience dito, white smoke. So, yung iba, check engine. So, para maiwasan yung all hassles na yan, total, hindi naman yun ang reason ng may-ari. So, dapat, tailor-made natin yung pangangailangan ng kliyente doon sa binibigay natin recommendation. So, pagka-cutback...
Go through the phase to get where we pray. We champion made, ain't nothing I changed. The streets that we paved, they throwing parades. Ay, nobody can hate on the road that I played. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day.
Morning to mga followers sa Night to Peace Garage. Square Ron, dito sa shop natin sa Cavite. Meron na naman ako special project na dumating. Itong Hyundai Tucson na 2.0. I talked to the client. Main reason kung bakit niya papalitan yung exhaust niya, hindi yung tunog eh. Ang gusto niya is ma-reinforce yung stock ng stainless. Kaya lang, katulad ng sabi ko lagi, pagka nagpapalit tayo ng exhaust na aftermarket, tutunog siya. So pagka-cutback, nagsisimula ako rito, we will remove the secondary catalytic kasi tatamaan na siya. Nasa mid-5 siya. Maglalagay ako ng resonator dito, 12 inches, G5 resonator. Tapos, makikita niyo yung muffler na to. Yung muffler horizontally placed eh. So, dapat, pagka nagde-design tayo ng exhaust, ganun din dapat ang placement ng muffler. So, ang ilalagay natin, Magna float. And then, gusto na may-ari, discreet lang. Ayaw nyo na may tip dito. So, nakayuko lang yung gagawin nating exhaust exit niya. So, yun ang preference ng may-ari. Nakikinig tayo sa kanila lagi. So, panoorin natin yung proseso at tingnan natin yung resulta dito afterwards.
We really did everything we said we would, blowing up like Killian, yeah. Hey, go through the phase to get where we prayed. We champion made, ain't nothing I changed. The streets that we paved, they throwing parades. Hey, nobody can hate on the road that I played. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Hey, checking the game, was never afraid. Just calling my name, they fall into place. The land of elite, the home of the brave. Ay, nobody can hate on the toll that I paid. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day.